In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook and Instagram page links to your Wix website. By the end, your visitors will be able to jump to your social pages with a single click using familiar icons that fit seamlessly into your site's design. Start in the Wix editor. On the left side, you'll see the Add button marked with a plus symbol. Click that, then choose Social and select Social Icons. This option gives you a ready-made set of recognizable social media logos, so you don't have to create anything from scratch. It's the quickest way to add professional-looking links that visitors immediately understand. Next, drag the social icons onto your page and position them where they'll be most useful. You can place them in the header if you want them to appear at the top of every page, in the footer for a clean, consistent placement across your site, or in a specific section, such as your contact area. Use Wix's snapping guides to align them with nearby text or buttons so everything looks intentional. Keep a little breathing room around the icons so they're easy to spot and tap, and make sure they don't overlap other elements. Think about visibility. Areas near your logo, navigation, or contact details generally work well and feel natural for visitors. Now connect each icon to the correct page. Click an icon once to select it, then choose Settings and open the link option. In the link field, paste your Facebook page URL. Be sure you use your public page's address, not an internal or admin link. It should look like a full web address and include the HTTPS prefix. Double check for typos because a single extra character can break the link. Repeat the same process for your Instagram icon. Settings link and paste your Instagram profile URL. If your Instagram handle includes periods or underscores, match it exactly as it appears on your profile. Remember that each icon controls its own link, so you set them one at a time to point to the right destination. If you ever change your page usernames, you'll return here to update these URLs. That's it. You added the social icons from the add menu, placed them thoughtfully on your page, and linked each one to your Facebook and Instagram pages. Keep the icons visible, consistent with the rest of your layout, and sized for easy tapping. Your visitors now have a smooth path from your website to your social presence.